depending on the number of schools in your model. Schools have been assigned. I hope all of you have visited those schools. ఇప్పుడు 121 schools కంప్లీట్ అయినాయి అన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు 10 schools కంప్లీట్ అయినాయి. And second thing is drinking water. 14 places, 14 schools have not started. Why it should not start? Major request కానీ ఈ వాటర్ కానీ సంవత్సరం లేదు కదా. Why should it not start? ఒక మండలంలో ఎంపీ రత్నాల్లో 7 ఉన్నాయి 14లో. 14 places drinking water. Completion stage గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు drinking water has not started.
We will complete by Saturday. 15 schools we will complete it, sir. Due times bid duration, sir. That's why it is required time, sir. By June 8.
4 completions are ready, sir. Like nearly 5 Mondays, sir. First to second is sir 9 total 9 it is.